Here we have a 2012 Dodge Durango. The first thing you need to do is slide the front seat forward. You can use this latch to get the seat all the way down. Then this to slide the seat all the way forward. To get to the battery, this cover comes up, and this is the battery cover. This one has already been unsnapped. It basically unsnaps, exposing the battery. This 10mm nut gets loosened, and the whole battery cable will come off. It's very important to move this battery cable off to the side so that it does not touch the battery terminal at all. Next, on the TIPM, this 13mm bolt nut must be removed. Once the nut is removed, this cable can be moved to the side. On the TIPM, there are 4 clips that hold it in place. It's 1, 2, and there's 2 more on the other side. Once they're unclipped, the whole TIPM can slide upwards. There are about 6 or 7 large wiring harness plugs on the bottom that must be disconnected. And that is how you remove the TIPM on a Dodge Durango. The Grand Cherokee and Dodge Caravan models are very similar.